What a day. It's probably fall for a little while.
Every evening they have hot water to do. Real hot water.
Plastic drum.
Yeah. With a black cover. Oh, it's in this phone. It's heat the heat right now. You can put it and go in there in the warm. And then put it in there.
Good morning, Team Ismash. How's everybody doing? Welcome back. So in today's vlog, as you can see, a beer uniform, and we come in Black Works on the second story or first story, depending on where you're the British, America, whatever the case might be. We upstairs some Black Work, and yeah, this is how much days after I slap gas. Look a bit of days, so I'm showing you something. So guys, remember in the other vlog I had to show you guys the reinforcement. I made a telling us that we did have a little fault, and we had to correct it, but we never want to lift up everything to correct it. So we ended up putting in a false beam. I've never used a false beam before. That's why I'm telling us that it new to me. Know what is a false beam, but I've never used it in this case, just for like a superficial effect. So there is it in this area where which we never have enough space right there. So we never put in a false beam. Engineer was alright with it, and yeah.
I'm staring at my shadow. Am I gonna be safe in getting through tomorrow? When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over. It ain't over, it ain't over. I'm not done, I just want me to find it.
Good morning again, Team Ismash. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog, and this part of the vlog states the whole premise of this vlog in particular. So in today's vlog, this scene onward will be executing a viewing where we'll be looking at this house where my family and I are planning on purchasing. In a concrete as yet, as I said, it is still a viewing. We viewed many houses before, and this, I wonder what kind of zoning point it's in. It's in a very what do I call it now? It's in a nice neighborhood, a nice community, and I kind of like here. This is our second viewing, and I just wanted to show you guys a sneak peek on this side, because I'm not showing none of viewing them whatsoever. One might see this as the main unit now, because we're planning to move, and one might see this as the main unit, don't know. So one can just comment and tell me if you don't like it or whatever, and I don't want me to promote for anybody buy, as I say I want it for myself. So you guys, welcome to my life. Team Ismash. If you're new, welcome again. Let's go have a look at the unit. I believe it's 4 bedrooms, open concept. It has a pool, like a gazebo. It is nice because I look on it already. Look on it last week or week before, and we'll just give you a second look inspection. So let's go Team Ismash. And already it has a tree I love, a plum tree. Remember when we used to live elsewhere, we did have this small one, and a long time hurricane blew it down. So yep, these are the bigger ones. Let me see if I know it. Plums. For those who don't know. Yep. So this is it from the outside, guys. You guys should be able to appreciate a good architecture. We have our interlocking stone over here, so our fence, a trellis, nice. Going right down. People must have love this, but like I say, still not sure as yet because this house is pretty expensive. As I say, market is crazy right now, guys. But see what can go on. Is it? Nothing beats a good negotiation, you know. But this is the outside, and we have the gazebo area with a little fan around here, and the pool deck is also around here. But the outside needs some local TLC. Not what I can fix. Clean up all around here, so nice, quiet neighborhood. As I say, what I like the most is just the peace and quiet where this neighborhood provides, and people, trust me, how far where I come from. Far where I come from, but let's see what can go on. So this is the backyard as of right now. Like a forest. Like a forest. So I don't know where exactly boundaries stop, but I'm guessing right there, say run along the fence, go up there, get stone wall. This is the elevation from the rear of the building. We get ackee tree, and yes sir. So rooms where you eject the service room and all of that. So we get ackee tree. This is Naseberry or Neesberry, and get a birdie, a friend up there, so already that looks like a kennel, or what used to be a kennel. Can't be a second-hand house or a used house without the termites, so if we look out for that. We get a mango tree. We get a tank. This tank, as you can see, it comes off for the guttering. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Catchment here. So this is the deck. This is the deck, team, Ismash. It looks like a villa. This is the deck. Our friend Mr. Tadpole or Froggy. Don't know how deep this pool is, but it looks reasonable. Mr. Froggy did. Like a gazebo. Yep, have a crawl. Can crawl under the building. And what else this bad boy have in store for us? I think this is like a laundry area and 2 access to property. And yeah, this is the outside for the most part, or at least as much as we can show. Now we're going to have a look on the inside. As you can see, we have huge porch front space. Huge. We can legit keep a party about 40 people out there. So, well, with the bifolds. Open up, accommodate another 100 in here. So this is a living dining area. Nice. It leads onto the porch around here. So kitchen. A little range, recirculating range hood. No electricity in here, sir. Lighting. No. Yeah. Okay. I don't know what this space is. Sure. Good morning, world. Beautiful. So, command cave. Storage area. Where's the switch? Yup. Can't get rid of this permanently. Easy. 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 Storeroom. Room number 1. Yeah. This thing's barely at work. I'm gonna try to find the switches, guys, but it is the best we can do in terms of lighting. But yeah, guys, best we can do in terms of lighting because there is no light. This is room number 2, guys. Um, 12 by 12, my approximation. And again, guys, no electricity. So, I don't know. No electricity, guys. Therefore, I have to use my phone. And, my apologies. So, yeah. Bathroom number 2. And this is bedroom number 3. In the beginning of the vlog, I probably stated that it has 4 bathrooms, but it's 4 bedroom, but it's basically a conversion over on that side. You can convert it into like a guest bed. Bathroom. So we'll have current in here. So this is like the master, as you can see, the biggest one. Has like a little jacuzzi action going on here. Bathroom is pretty small in terms of width. Yeah, look at this. This have to go change Gotta change this as well. All the nicks and knocks. Let's see. Yep. This is it, guys. I don't know. You guys better judge. I think I'm alright with it. And besides from the few like upgrades and tweaks, you know, or would need like improvement. Feel like a something where I can work with. However, as I said, it boils down to the price, and I might end up showing you guys another unit which we have interest in, but as I said, private life different from internet life, so sometimes may like give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm up to. So as I said, guys, we're looking at this house and it is a potential. It is on the list of potentials. House number 2, guys. Let's see if this one sparks the interest a little bit more than the other one. Already we have one of our neighbors. So these mongrel dogs. Definitely a turn off, but we'll become friends in due time if this is it. So what I love about this is the different tranches. So it's similar, like one tranche, but it has its different sections to it, so you can make money. So yeah, so you have a apartment around the back and to the left of the building facing it. So you like stay on one side and like rent out the other side, and you definitely should be able to cover your mortgage that way. So that's a plus in regards to an advantage over the other house. The other house you have it, they own like a conversion. I don't know, breed mongrel over here too. Like that chain of the mongrel. That's crazy. Backyard, people live here or something, or you film to that. Real chicken. Junipel Dashan.
Hello.
Wee.
Hi. Well, this is happening.
Down there hot, but I don't know they stay there. I don't know they stay there.
Get used to that here.
I think you have a little bit of windows.
No, so I need fun of
AC. You need 236 in a one room. Yeah, look at speed. I made a beat a couple times well an idea like well, come on, when I give people a space like that. Yeah, windows them minimum 4 feet, brother. Bathroom, everything minimum, hot like fire. Yeah, there's I couldn't go up in that room, but up there hot, and it's just clustered up here. But all the underside space over here, so which is the main section of the building. But you know, look at where we get to go into there. Guys are dead into that again. Second time I come over here, so yep, roadblock. My power. So apparently the person was supposed to give me access to the unit. I ain't able to show up. It might take forever, so we just decide to reschedule. And that is that. So 2 houses today. Barely showing one of them, showing the other. What you guys think down in the comment section? And yeah, see my smash. Thanks for watching this vlog. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and like up the videos, and yeah, check out my other content. Sorry for looking up there so long ago. Take you by Smash. We are out. See you in my next vlog.